Hi guys, this is my iPhone 13 Pro. I opened already. Thank you so much to the Apple Store. We can open. Guys, this is Shera Blue. Shera Blue. Guys, Shera Blue. This is the design by Apple California, yung manual. This is the, if you put the SIM card, this is the sticker, this is the manual, and then this is the what you call this, the lightning type C na to guys, that one. And then kikas pa rin po, you need to buy a separate the cord and the headphones, something that one guys. And then we're gonna open the phone guys. Yun ito nga pala po yung case, the case na po. I set up already. I have this, the message, the calendar, the photo, the camera. Look at guys. And then the clock, the map, the weather, the notes, the app store, the book, the health, the settings guys, that one. And then the find, and then Facebook, Messenger, this one, YouTube, everything guys. If you want me to continue to vlog what's in my phone, just let me know. This is my phone, everything guys. I like it. Thank you so much for the Apple Store making this. I hope. Thank you so much. Thank you.